Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Excel Intermediate course. In this lesson we are working on the advanced chart. It means how to collect the data from multiple table to the one chart. As you see on the screen, we have three tables, the three set of data here within our three showrooms. Like you can see here, the showroom 3, 2, 1, and we have the price is the same. We are not working on the price, just we are working on the quantity in each showroom, how many cars or how many items are left in each showroom, and how to collect data. As you see, showroom 1, showroom 2, showroom 3 here in this part. So how to collect these tables data in the one chart. So we are jumping to the video. I'm going to clear this chart from the screen, and now I'm coming to start this from the zero. So welcome guys. As you usually know, we are going to select the set of data here, going to the insert command and just click on the recommended chart. We are using the default chart as which is available here. So I'm clicking on this and I'm accepting what is it, how is it looks. We are not going to on the lots of the modification and the modifying all the charts. That's not our lesson here. Just we are working on the just giving some room here to fit all the data properly here. So this data is belong to the table 1 or showroom 1. I'm going to add that data from the showroom 2 and showroom 3. Now I'm coming here. So clicking on the filter, we are going to the select data on this corner. Here is a link. When I'm coming here, just I'm going to press on the simple add here. As I add here, this area asks me for the series name. I'm going to select this point for that. That should be name. In the second column is for the price. I mean the entire column, the available data in the column. So I'm pressing OK. One column is added. Now I'm coming to add this point of the data. I'm clicking the add again, getting the title here. As I click here, I'm getting the title again for the table 2 for the second column. Now I'm going to collect the data from here. Showroom 2 data is also available now. Now I'm adding the third table. As you see, we are repeating the same command here, adding the showroom 3 and also this part. And okay, now this part is left. Just I'm adding once again to complete the entire data. And now coming in, collect this data here. All tables, this word quantity, table 1, table 2, table 2, table 3. That's good. All data is available. Now we are pressing on the OK button here. As you see, we got all the data here from the showroom 1 price unit and quantity, showroom 2 price per unit, showroom 3 price per unit, and showroom 2 quantity. As you see, this is not the with the bars are appear here. This is not belong to the our data. This is belongs to the this part, because all of them, as you see, all of them are equals, because the price is not different, just the quantity is different. Now we are going to hide all these price bar and just give room to the quantity bars. Now I'm coming back to the filter. I am removing the price. This is the price, showroom 2. This is also the price, and this is also the price. I'm clicking on the apply button. As you see, automatically all the quantity and quantity, all is built. This title is reflected or used for all these set of data. So after pressing the apply, our mission is complete and everything is done. As we are coming here to change some data here, 23, you will see automatically this tiny bar disappear, change its data. 25, you will see a little bit more. Yeah, you can change everywhere the data. To the 15, you will see this bar have a little bit change. So guys, this was the all about the advanced chart. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and support us, and have a good day.